If you're tired of dry, tough chicken breast, then you need to watch this, the secret to tender and juicy fried chicken every time. I'm going to start by cutting each chicken breast in half crosswise and trimming off any of the fat. After I get these cut and all cleaned up the way I like, then I'm going to use a meat mallet and just pound just a little bit just to even the chicken out so that it cooks more evenly. And then I'm adding some buttermilk to a dish, and I'm going to add the chicken breast to that. Now, I didn't need 2 cups. That's what I already had poured out. So I went ahead and used it because I was touching raw chicken, so I didn't want to use that buttermilk for anything else. I'm going to let this marinate in the buttermilk for an hour and at room temperature. And while that's marinating, I'm going to add the flour, salt, pepper, and cornstarch and mix that together. And that's what I will dredge the chicken in when it's ready. You can also marinate this in the refrigerator for up to 4 hours if you need that much time to prepare for something else, or maybe you have errands to run. I wouldn't leave it over 4 hours because it will tend to make your raw chicken turn a little mushy. After you get the chicken coated, set it aside for about 10 minutes. Just let the buttermilk soak up the flour mixture, and that helps it adhere better to the chicken as you fry it. Keeps the coating on the chicken. So if your oil is heated or shortening or lard or whatever you're using, it's fine. If that's heated up, then go ahead and start putting your chicken in, and don't overcrowd it. I'm just putting 4 in at a time, and I'll fry this in 2 different batches. You'll try to use a heavy frying pan or skillet. That works better. If not, you may have to reduce your heat just a little. So you want to fry these 7 to 8 minutes per side, each side. And then when they're done, you can take those out, put them on a wire rack if you have one, just to drain, and it helps the chicken stay crispy. And while you go ahead and put your second batch of chicken in, and just repeat the same steps that you did with the first batch. I know someone will say something about me wearing gloves when I'm not handling raw chicken with my hands. I'm just going to tell you I did burn my hands a few days ago. They are bandaged and healing, so of course I am wearing gloves. I also changed my gloves 4 times during the making of this video. So this is my recipe for making very tender, extremely juicy chicken breast. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.